Bird's eye view. So this sucker's frozen. I think I might just cut it off. You got the other one out? I'll probably have to reroute TMP line, probably point it over this way and try and tie it in here maybe.
Well, they're a little overworked these days. I came into this game for the action, the excitement. Go anywhere, travel light, get in, get out. Wherever there's trouble, a man alone.
This shit's on the ladder, off the ladder. I can't. I'm ready to fall over. Thing I don't like about there's kids screaming around me and running around. Tickets and kids.
Wow, that really is a job for you, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot of work because everything's 8 feet off the ground. And over 20 years old, so I should have brought an extension ladder with me. What I should have brought.
I got a 10-foot ladder, a big ladder.
Oh, do you? You got something that can reach up this high? So because everything's wet and I'm wearing sneakers. And
Yeah. Let me
that'd be great. Thank you.
Let me go muscle in.
Yeah, thanks.
belt.
Just come out wrong. Too much side. I'm cool with it. So I was trying to get up here, and I didn't have this ladder, and I fell all the way to the bottom and landed on my elbow. Straight down. I don't know how many feet that is. I could feel it like, you know, my hip and my elbow. So yeah. I hate this job. I already banged this elbow up earlier. Now it's banged up twice. I'm surprised I didn't fracture it. But yeah, you know, full mobility. Probably just run it on a gentleman. We'll see if I can walk tomorrow. That is a miracle right there.
Is it going to fit for you?
Yeah, it's gonna work out. It's gonna just work out. You can close the faucet.
Okay.
Thank you. out pretty good. Oh, amazing. Just amazing that this got done. Can't get you any closer, but we're almost out here. This is the hardest water heater I think I've ever installed in my entire life. All right. It's finished.
Fantastic.
I know, I don't believe it myself. So know that you're welcome to go up on the ladder and take a look at the top if you want.
No,
Oh, okay.
You're the professional.
Yeah, I don't see anything leaking up there. It's on right now. I left the cover for you. A little bit dented, but I don't think it's gonna fit because you can see it's.
Yeah.
You know, if the home inspector gives you a hard time, you know, because they're gonna want that, but there's just no way to. There's just no way to get it on there, but it's on and it's running. You got a great view into the flame. I mean, you don't have to get down low. You can just walk right over there and view right inside there. So this is, I mean, all the lighting instructions and everything are on it. You still got the manual, which is good.
Yes.
But yeah, you can look right inside there. You'll see it at night. This is a little more modern, so it'll flash. You should be good. I put it on like, I don't know, I think A or B, somewhere like kind of Goldilocks zone.
Right.
So you should be good temperature-wise. If you want it hotter, turn it clockwise. If you want it cooler, turn it counterclockwise.
Okay.
And that'll be this red button right here,
Right.
over to the left. So, other than that, yeah, we're gonna call it good. That's a miracle. Without your neighbors, I would have never ever gotten this thing in here.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
All right.